Hello friends, welcome to Glim Academy. So today we have a good news and the wait is over. We are getting the results and the shortlist candidates list is already published by IGNOU for the assistant registrar position. So please watch the video till the end to see if your name is there in the shortlisted list or not. So don't forget to subscribe and watch the full video to see your name right here. Let's begin. When we see the IGNOU website announcements section, there we can see the list of shortlisted candidates for the post of assistant registrar. And this notification came on 18th November 2021. Once you come to this page, you can click here. Here you can see one option is there. Click here for details. You have to click on that. Then after that, you will get the PDF which will show all the details about the result notification. Now, we're coming to the first page of this notification. This is published from the recruitment cell of IGNOU. Now, subject is shortlisted candidates for the post of assistant registrar. As you can see, the notice number is written, advertisement number, and it is only for the post of assistant registrar, not the security officer. Here they have written, the screening committee has shortlisted the following applicants in order of their application number out of the total candidates who appeared in the written test. Those applicants whose name does figure in the following list are advised to provide all the supporting document copies. Okay, so the documents, the certificate, the experience you have provided, or the academic details, you have to make the soft copy of those and you have to send it along with the format that is given in that PDF at the end, uh, along with the your marks, your grade, your experience certificate, caste certificate, income, all the things. And one format is given. You have to download that, fill it, or you can do it online if possible. And everything you have to send it to the recruitment cell within 15 days from the date of this notification. So this notice is dated on 17th November. So you can calculate the end of this month is the last date. Before that, you have to send it all the details, all your documents. Now comes to the list of candidates. Here you can see the serial number and it is in the order of the application number. Okay, like it is 43, 49, then 123, Vijay Kumar Yadav, Manav Kumar Singh, Vivek, Parvez, Banki Lal, Vikram, Amit, Vipin, Anurag, Om, Ramesh, Jagram. So all the candidates are shortlisted by the recruitment cell, or you can say the screening committee. Okay, as per the details provided by you and as per your written test performance. Then here is the next. This list is continuing starting from the serial 1, this is till 19, then from 20 to 40, 41 to 60, 61 to 80, 81 to 101, 102 to 122, 123, and till the list is till 148 candidates are listed here. Okay. So the star mark is given saying provisionally shortlisted. Maybe this is just because of the performance in the written test, and other candidates can be possibly selected on the basis of their experience they have provided related to this position. As they have mentioned before, if you have any relevant experience regarding this position, you can provide it, and as for that, they can select you. Here, below the list of candidates, it is further saying that there is a clarification. They want to say that non-inclusion of applicants' name in above list, that means the applicants, the candidates whose name are not in the list, does not mean the rest of the applicants have found ineligible. That does not mean that you who all are there, not there are ineligible, but only those listed above could be shortlisted among the eligible applicants as per the instructions under important instruction for applicants that is given in the advertisement. So basing on the performance in the written test and your experience in the related field, those might be the criteria they have selected this much of candidate for as the shortlisted. Then next they are saying, however, the applicants whose name does not figure in the above mentioned list may prefer a representation if they so wish, along with authentic documentary evidence from their registered email ID given in the application form, to be addressed to recruitmentcell@igno.ac.in. So friends, this is really very important thing. I have seen so many candidates requesting me on my channel that they have some experience which they failed to update in their application while applying for this position in the first place. So this is a relaxation, this is a opportunity, this is a last chance for you to make yourself matching with that profile, and you can send your experience details to this email address with documentary proof, authentic documentary evidence. Okay, stating that how you are eligible for this position. So you can send your scorecard, and with that your experience if you have in this academic and professional everything. So if any other professional experience in academic field experience, company, private, public, any experience you have forgotten to update, you can do that now. Friends, please, I request you all, please go ahead. Do not feel shy that you have scored less in the written test. This is the opportunity they are asking openly to all who are feeling that they are eligible for this position because of their experience. They can send their details, their certificate, documentary evidence to this email address within 15 days from this date of notice. So please try, go ahead and try. There may be a chance You might not be in this list and you can get a chance for the screening. This is a note from another note from Registrar Administration. It says that universities shall not be responsible for any error of any information provided by the applicants knowingly, unknowingly while filling up the application form. In case the applicants get shortlisted or selected on the basis of incorrect details, candidature shall be liable to be cancelled at any stage of recruitment. So please do not provide any kind of wrong or like if you do not have some experience and incorrect forged details you are giving, please do not do that. At any point of time, if they find it, they will cancel the recruitment. So all the genuine people, all the genuine candidates, please go ahead and send your details, send your experience and academic details to recruitment cell, mentioning in the email how you are eligible for this position, and they are saying that they will definitely consider. So try to find your name here. If you are lucky to have your name in the shortlisted candidate, then big congratulations to all these candidates who are there already shortlisted by the screening committee. And please, other candidates, do not feel disheartened. There is a last chance. You can send your details to them with your academic certificate and experience certificate. So this is the end of our waiting, and finally the list is published. You can check your results here, and please do not forget to let me know who are the ones in this list and in our channel. Thank you for watching my video till the end, and please like, share and subscribe to Glim Academy. We are going to grow till the infinity. And at the end, congratulations to the shortlisted candidates. Thank you so much.